At the end of a long day, you just want to unwind. But did you know some habits could be ruining your sleep? Let's fix that in just 2 minutes. First, exercise. It's great for your health, but don't do it too close to bedtime. It raises your body temperature and fills you with endorphins, making it harder to fall asleep. Instead, exercise earlier in the day for better rest. Next, late night eating and drinking. Snacking or having a big meal before bed makes your body focus on digestion, not relaxation. Alcohol and even too much water can disrupt your sleep. Try to stop eating and drinking at least 3 hours before bed. What about showers? A warm shower before bed can actually help you sleep better. It cools your body down as the water evaporates, syncing with your natural rhythm. Just leave about 90 minutes between your shower and bedtime. Then, there's your bedroom temperature. Keep it cool between 15.5 to 19.5 Celsius, or 60.67 Fahrenheit. A cooler room helps your body maintain its natural nighttime temperature drop for better sleep. Finally, screens. Phones, tablets, and laptops emit blue light that tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime, delaying sleep. Shut them off at least an hour before bed to give your brain time to wind down. By tweaking these habits, you can get better sleep and feel more refreshed in the morning. Start small and see the difference tonight.